In the waning years of the Victorian era, a cabal of visionary engineers imagined a machine that could think, not by electrons, but by gears. Their brainchild, the Chronothecary Clockwork Computer, marries the tactile precision of 19th century horology with the abstract logic of a modern processor, \n form ***. The Chronothecary sits in a mahogany cabinet the size of a small grand piano. Its exterior is a lattice of riveted brass panels, each pierced by intricate cutout patterns that echo the filigree of an ornate pocket watch. Inside, a cascade of interlocking gear trains rises in terrace layers, each tier dedicated to a specific computational function: input translation, logical operation, memory storage, and output generation. A series of hardened steel rods act as data buses, moving brass cogs across the machine like messages on a conveyor belt. A brass-coated pneumatic system supplies precise bursts of steam, clutching and releasing gears at microsecond intervals to synchronize the clockwork heart \n function ***, rather than binary voltage. The Chronothecary processes information as sequences of angular positions. An operator feeds punched card ribbons that translate into encoded gear rotations. The primary gear train performs a mechanical analog of the von Neumann architecture, a fetch decode execute loop rendered in rotating cams and levers. Memory resides in a series of cylindrical drum registers, each drum engraved with hardened steel pins that hold gear teeth in predefined positions, offering a capacity comparable to a few kilobytes. Output emerges as illuminated dials that spin to display calculations, and a brass tone printer that punches paper strips with the results. Though crank-operated, a later retrofit added a miniature coal-fired boiler, granting autonomous operation for up to 90 minutes. \n aesthetic ***. The Chronothecary is a manifesto of steampunk sensuality. Its surface shimmers with burnished copper, while the gears catch the light in a ballet of shadows, hinting at the hidden binary dance within. The visible steam gauges and pressure valves lend it a living, breathing quality, an engine of thought that hisses and sighs with each instruction. The designers intentionally left the internal workings exposed through a glass pane, inviting observers to marvel at the exquisite choreography of meshing teeth. In this way, the machine is both a functional computer and an ornamental sculpture, embodying the Victorian belief that beauty and utility are inseparable. \n The Chronothecary stands as a brilliant speculative bridge between the mechanical marvels of the 1800s and the invisible silicon world of today, reminding us that the quest for computation has always been as much an artistic endeavor as a scientific one.